extraordinary individual I asked to be here, and Hamid Yaz. So with that, I'd like to go ahead and introduce Hamid. Hamid, take it away, sir.
You need a system to increase their visits. You need a system to increase their visits. Go to practically any restaurant, Austin, Buda, Kyle, San Marcos, it doesn't matter. More than likely, this is what's going to happen. You're going to pay your bill, or you're going to pay at the register. I say, okay, thank you. Or, okay, thank you. See you again. Or, see you next time, right? Is what they say. How do you know I'm going to come next time? What incentive did you give me to come next time? What incentive is bringing me back to your dry cleaners? What incentive is bringing me back to your hair salon? There's 1,000 other options. All of this, okay, see you later. See you next time. Come again. Thank you. The bag. Thank you. Come again. There's no incentive. You're under the assumption that your service or your price or your quality was so good that they're just going to randomly show up. And the problem with that is your average business owner doesn't train their staff to get customers to repeat their visits. They just hire maybe somebody that's cute, put them at the front, or just somebody that's competent enough to know that $1 plus $1 equals $2. Stop and think about that. If you can train an employee to be much more valuable by actually getting people to increase their visits, oh my God, it'll totally transform your business and it's guaranteed to grow. Train your staff to increase transactions. Their wallet is already out. The credit card or debit card is already in their hand. It might even be in your hand also. And it's like when you go to buy a car, what do they say? Oh, well, yeah, we got the extended warranty for $3,000, $3,100. They tried to hit me with the other day, $3,100. I was like, no, I'm good. This is already a certified pre-owned. Oh, well, I can give it to you $1, okay, $1 above dealer cost. So the $3,100 magically came to $1,201. So some people might say, oh, yeah, that's a great deal. So now that transaction of, let's say if it's an $18,000 deal, just went up an extra $1,201 because the finance manager was trained on how to get the transaction to increase. Now, when you're this is going to make you laugh. We went to a Nissan dealership, me and my son. The guy's name was Hamid, and he was Persian. I'm like, oh my Lord, this is going to be a disaster right here. 2 Hamids negotiating the price of a car, and I ended up getting one from another dealer for $1,920 less. Same exact vehicle. So you get what you don't get what you deserve. You get what you negotiate.